Everyone, this is Tyler Hyatt. Out here with my 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. I'll show you a little walk around. Looks like I got a little sponsorship gift. This is for MM Racing, and so basically we're going to be installing this new front grille. Looks pretty good. It has some nice LED lights here instead of the ones up here for the Ford Raptor, and it's going to go in place of this one here. So basically I got the top cover off. There's a lot of pop rivets. There was one that was hiding up in here right behind the air intake, and then under there, so you have to take those out. And then I start working on these 10mm bolts here, so you put them in. There should be 4 of those here, and then you can see, sorry about the lighting, but there's this harness here, so we have to take this off, and then we have to get down to the bottom bolts. The bottom bolts, I believe we have to access and remove the front of this, so we have to, there's like one here, and then go around, so we have to take this off to get to this piece, and then under there there's 2 more bolts, I believe. So we'll do that and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so there is this little space, sorry about the shadow, but this piece has to come out, and then the fender flare, and then you can see on this side there's a, looks like a 7mm bolt right here, and then there are some rivets here that I have to slide this off and then pop this off. So I'm gonna so try and take this off as carefully as possible and not scratch it, but yeah, we'll go from there. The next thing I got to do, sorry about the neighbors, I'm gonna take that bolt off. I don't know if I have to take these 2 bolts off, but I'll do it on both sides and we'll see how it goes. Here's what it looks like. Sorry for the shadows, but so basically, as you can kind of see, these are the fins, and they are powered by that. So you do have to separate this from the actual, like this piece, from the grill. Okay, so I did find you have to remove these. I can't tell if there are 10. So there's 2 on this side, and then 2 on this side, and then that piece should come out. It looks like it's a little more detailed. Looks like I have to take out those rivets there. Looks like there's 5 there, and then there are 2, 4, 6, 8 down here. So these were at the top, just underneath by the hood latch, but basically you have to pop those up and then pop the other piece out. Yeah, and then there was one more 8mm bolt right here that I had to use the extension and use that, and I believe that's it. Was another thing that was holding that fan, or those fins, to this. So basically I just took a flathead screwdriver and put it underneath and popped them out. So it's looking pretty good. It does look like there's certain hardware, like these 4 I'm gonna have to take out and move them over. All right guys, so I was able to switch that out. I kind of test fit it here. I think the one thing that I forgot is the wiring. So before you connect the fin, all that, to this, feed it through. So I tried to feed it through, it's hard to see now, but basically there's a hole right there, and then I just fed it through. Let's see if it'll focus right there. So, you know, I'll mess with the wiring in a little bit. So kind of, sorry for the sunset, but basically this is the truck all finished. All the pieces are back, not missing any bolts, nothing broke off. I think it makes it look aggressive. I'm glad to get rid of the blue. Now I gotta get rid of those and make those black, but I don't know, it kind of matches, right? So it's legit. Anyway, I want to thank American Modified Racing. It's a pretty good product. You know, like I said, it's makes it look, that whole front end looks a lot more aggressive than it did, and I'll show some before and after pictures, but that thing is legit.